Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Marta here, and today's inspiration is for everyone actually. Not a crafter, typical, quite opposite. Any regular person that wish to make a Christmas card this year for your loved ones. I'm gonna show you how to do it without spending any money with things that you have around the house, because I do believe you may have some cardboard. Just have a look in your rubbish bin, really. Beads, old beads. These are literally like 7-10 years old beads from my dad. Then I have some wire. If you don't have a wire, you may ask your partner, your dad, your neighbor for it. Some lace, some vintage papers, old really things that I found in the house. I believe that most of us do have some kind of leftovers, kind of crafty looking things, but not so much. So without spending money, can we do something beautiful? I really hope you will join me for this eco-friendly, beautiful, vintagey looking, yet very basic, classic, minimalistic Christmas card. I hope you will like it, and if you're not a crafter, it's definitely something for you. So let's do it together. So where do we begin? We have to cut our Christmas tree to start with. There we go. Now this one is kind of ready-made curated cardboard, but I'm pretty sure that you can just create cardboard similar like that from just cardboards that you have from buying things like. And also, I'm not really precise with measuring size-wise, guys. It's not about here being precise and worrying that you need a special tool to even measure it. No, we're not here to measure anything, because even if our Christmas tree is gonna be a little bit wonky, that's okay. Like, if it's not even, there we go, any kind of triangle, as you can see. The next step is to have a base ready. Now you can use really any kind of well, you can buy a base, but because we're trying to keep it minimalistic and not costly, you can just buy kids craft. I'm sure that you have some thick cardboardish kind of paper, cardstock, that's the name. Sorry. So use some cardstock and put it in half, and you can just create a base like that, any size you wish. So here is mine. There you go. Now I did want to bring some kind of happenings here, so I decided to, as I said, use things from the house that I have. So I have some old vintage music note page. You can use old book, old magazine. Sky's the limit, guys, here. And I also have literally, this is printer paper, dyed, and I have video on that, dyed with just a tea. So literally cooked with the tea. So literally you can just do it yourself, and if you definitely looking for that kind of inspiration, it's on my channel, guys. So please have a look. As well, as you can see, I'm not using even scissors here, because I'm happy to just have it irregular and interesting, that kind of way. So we have 3 layers now, which is nice, but we kind of need to lift it up and make it a little bit like, lift it up and make it lighter. And this is heavyish looking, so lace always helps, guys. And I have some vintage lace. This is my this year favorite lace. I bought it last year, but look in your drawers. Everyone has lace after maybe granny, your mom, or maybe you're just a collector and you have it. And maybe old clothes. You can destroy some old clothes as well. Just look around your house and reuse, recycle, reuse what you have around you. Now another thing that I've added is this thing. It's yet again extremely old tool, I think it's called, and it's completely shredded, like it's really bad condition, but that's okay, because I'm here to just enjoy part of it. I'm not sewing any dresses or anything, so just to lift it up yet again and make this kind of like interesting. Underneath it I'm putting that tool, and even though it's dirty here, look, it's kind of dyed dirty here, that's okay. I'm gonna bring that camera slightly closer to you guys, so I hope you will see it a little bit better. So as I said, definitely if you're not a crafter but you are wishing to make something nice, this is something for you today. So here it is, literally that's it, that's our background. I have my hot glue gun ready. Hot glue is a good investment for any kind of craft. And now let me actually show you what else I have here, because it's interesting. This is now I'm gonna bring camera a bit further. This is a toolbox, and many of us have toolboxes like that. This one is when I started my crafts, and my dad was sending me things from his shop, and I wasn't sure what craft I'm doing. But these are basic things, really. Let me open it up. So these are all kinds of beads that I have. Even look at those beautiful buttons, like really vintage old buttons, and plenty of those beads. So I'm gonna get some other color maybe, so to make it a little different, which I have here. Red maybe could be nice. It's very Christmassy color, isn't it? And I don't see a green one, which is okay. Oh, I have the silver one, which could be interesting. Oh, I do have green one among those, but no. Red, no. Blue, no. White, oh, maybe white actually. Sorry for the noises. Oh, it's like a pearly white, transparent, nice. So this box literally has, since I started crafting, so that could be 7.5 years or 8 years. Orange, no, we don't need orange. So let me show you what's the plan, guys. Let me show you. We take in our wire, and this one is just a nice delicate wire. Don't know where I got it, honestly. And let me come closer to you yet again. So while you're watching this video, just so you know, it would be absolutely amazing, sensational if you could share this video with your friends. This is the way for me to, for others, crafters, YouTubers, to help out, spread the word so others can hear about us, about our fun videos. So it would be amazing if you could do that. So I just have it now. I have it unrolled, and I'm gonna open up I choose this kind of brownish and vintage looking, which is beautiful, but I think we can do this one a little different in reds. Maybe this could be nice. I'm gonna pour some red in here. Now look around you. As I said, I'm pretty sure you must have some kind of beads and things around you. I'm pretty sure. So let's see. Oh, that's gonna be very pretty looking. So this is the plan. I'm not measuring anything right now, and I'm not putting like one of this color, two of this one. No, not at all. I'm totally random. Look at my example. Oh, I need glasses. Look at my example. It's a totally random selection here. Bigger, smaller, no difference. They're gonna be all mixed up and all. So definitely it's nothing that I'm concentrating. I'm not measuring, like, you know, a little bit of that, a little bit of the other. That will do. This kind of attitude I have. So I'm gonna put this on my wire and then come back to you once it's done. Actually, beforehand, I'm just trying to measure roughly how much length I'm gonna use. So yeah, something like that. So that's exactly what I have right now. Will be nice. So this is how far I'm gonna be having my wire, and this is how far I will be adding my beads. Obviously not full length, just a few beads here and there, and then we're gonna do the going around it. Okay, guys, we have our beads on the wire. So the next step is to add some hot glue gun here on that wire on the back, so that we can start turning it around, and I'll show you how we do it. So let's wait for this to dry just a second. Okay, so we have to start moving our beads up high, and kind of divide it enough for all of the layers. So I'm leaving like few beads, then no beads underneath it, on top, moving a little bit, however your heart desire, guys. There we go. If you feel like having maybe just two or one or none, that's okay too. There we go. So empty underneath it, if you can see, and then we have some beads on top. And I'm really random when it comes to how many. Then we're gonna be kind of yet again like taking shape of our of our wire. So empty underneath it, and you go with the choice of maybe like that even. Things can go on the top of each other as well, why not? Like this. Oh. Then we have it like that, but go back some more. I added quite a lot, which is nice, quite a lot of those beads, that's fine. Empty underneath it, if you can take it. Oh, I have some there, that's okay. You can always move them, you know. Oh, there we go. I just moved them so they will stay like that. But if anything will go underneath it, that's okay too. Okay, so few of beads there, and that's it. Look at that. Now I have to say that I can go around even more because I have some more beads left, so it's up to you if you feel like fancy like adding some more and go over on top of like here. Super. And then even more here. That's nice. And I think I'm gonna stick with what I have, even empty wire there, and that's it. So I need to cut this, and I need to put the rest of my beads, and time to glue it down so that our Christmas tree beads are gonna stay in one place. Now, excellent, and voila! How pretty is that? Now, time to glue it down to our things. So let me put my card here for you. So where do we begin? We just have to kind of place everything however you would like. Now, as I said, you can use whatever feels like. I have all kinds of, and I'm using hot glue, all kinds of old paper, but use whatever you have. So I'm adding just some amount of hot glue. That's fine. And this went through the tool, so it's all excellent now. Then same thing here, adding some on the edges as well. There we go. There we go. Even if things are sticking out like that, that's nice. It's fine. It can do that as well. Okay. And then we have a lace, so I'm gonna leave that lace naturally, and this hopefully will just, once I add more glue to my Christmas tree, it will all glue it down. So I'm adding glue. I need some more glue here to my hot glue gun, to my pistol, to my gun. Now don't burn yourself, be very, very, very careful, okay? And yes, we can glue it down. Now be very gently with your, how you do it, don't rush it. There we go. Ha! Excellent! That looks so, so pretty. And now you can move around your wires however you like, a bit more fancy or less, or this or that, whatever feels like. And also what I did is a final touch here. I just use a string. Yet again, I'm pretty sure that you may have a string at home, so I'm just adding a little bit of, making a little loop here and there. Let me just do it like that. And yes, and we have a little tiny bow as our decoration. Now I know I said it's an eco-friendly card. I know it's not, wire is not really eco-friendly, plastic either, but my intention was to use things from home and use things that are very old, that you forgot you have them, and try to use your stash, what you have around it. And seriously, those are 7 years old stash like of mine, so I'm very happy to use it. Plus I didn't bring downstairs any Christmassy products yet, because I'm kind of feeling, is it possible to go through the whole Christmas inspirations time with as little as possible of crafty goodies? you know, just a little challenge maybe for myself. That's what comes to my head, that why don't I just try to use what I seriously have, and very minimalistic. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up at that because my card is finished. I really hope you can also bring this a little bit more like standing out, you know, so this is like more 3D, like really 3D. So here it is. I really hope you liked it and enjoyed it. I have to say that I prefer the vintage one more, but that's just a personal opinion, nothing, you know. I love them both, of course, but just I guess I like the vintage look with the beads, but you can finish it however you like. So please do let me know which is your favorite, which is nicer, the brown one with the reds or both. So I really hope you found it inspirational, and I hope you will share this video with your friends, because it is really fun video, no cost, inexpensive. It's pretty much eco if you think about using what you have. No skills needed. Use what you have, guys, and that's my attitude for 2020. I really hope. So yes, thank you so much, guys. Wishing you a beautiful creative time, Christmassy creations flowing to your studios, to your kitchen tables, and just making something special things for your loved ones, because that's what matters, isn't it? Thank you so much for being here, for staying, for watching, for commenting, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, always helps. Click the bell button for the notifications so you won't miss any video of mine. Okay, I'm gonna wrap up at that. Till the next time, happy crafting. Bye bye.